Right, so good evening everyone. So tonight is ano lang, we're just brushing up the podcast system. So podcast is like ano lang siya, it's like webinar lang din. It's like webinar and event funnel, no? But specific siya for interview. So yun yung gagawin natin every Friday. But before we can do it, we need to have a system, no? Or a process. So I think let me show you muna the process para you'll be guided. Ayan. So this is like combination ng funnel and short automation lang. Okay. Okay, so let me share my screen. Ayan. I hope you can see my screen now. Okay. So this is the start of the flow. Uh, Now we invited some guests. So ito yung mga guests natin this month and next month and the following month. Okay? So uh if you want, you can invite them, especially sa mga may kakilala dyan na who would like to, to be interviewed. Wala siyang special, like wala siyang offer or we don't have any talking yet, but what we can do is we can give them a testimonial or a certification. So yun na lang muna as of the moment in exchange of them be present sa sa podcast. All right? So I think JR will be listed in here, no? Para ano. Okay lang, R? So it's like ano lang, random
Sige lang
questions
ah.
about the business, about like a journey ng mga business owners then. All right, so these are like the people, and then this we're going to start with sharing the podcast details. Like for example, it's JR's event or JR's podcast. We're going to create the post. So our graphics designer, yung mga I think Angel can do the ano then yung short creative for a video. I don't know. Basta that we're going to start with social media posting sa traffic. All right? So we're going to post the details sa page, sa group, and it will help if we're going to share it onto our personal timeline. And after that, magre-register sila. So basically sa lahat ng mga postnet, for all of the posts will be attaching the funnel link. So the funnel that we decided or the link is the premiumfunnels.com/podcast. So this will going to handle all of the podcasts soon. Okay. So let's just paste this one. So ito yung magiging like call to action nila if they wanted to join the webinar. I mean, the podcast. Okay? And again, webinar, podcast, and events are kind of similar lang na flow. Okay, so this is the link that they're going to visit. And of course, they should fill up lang their name, email, phone number is optional. Best describes them for us to filter their Okay, so let's just change this to link. Okay, so after they fill up the form, we're going to send. They'll be redirected sa sa thank you page. I don't know if we're going to add the VSL, but I think okay lang na wala. Ang purpose lang ng registration is for us to capture the data. Okay, so that is lead gen na process, and at the same time we can nurture them. Okay, and to send them follow-ups. All right, so after they uh they'll be redirected sa confirmation page again, and then we can invite them sa Facebook group, exclusive community, and we're going to tag them. So ito yung magiging tag nila, guest first name dash podcast listener. So you can change this anytime soon, but as of the moment, I think ito na muna. So for example, that's JR's podcast. So JR dash podcast dash listener. And then after that, we'll be sending them some notification like confirmation email and SMS. Okay, so the automation team will be they're the one going to implement. But I think if we can implement it real quick, that will be perfect. Okay. So for SMS, we're using HTTP SMS, make.com, and for email, the default from GHL. And so after the confirmation, of course, quick follow-up lang. This is not like the appointment na there's 5 follow-up. I think 3 or even 2 follow-up emails will do nga eh. But yeah, let's do it like this one. Tatlo. A day before, 6 hours and 5 minutes. The 5 minutes is the exact time for the podcast. For example, we're now live. Jer's like in the in the podcast, so we're about to start something like that. Okay, so this is after na like for example, if that is the exact podcast date and time. So for example, that's 7 p.m. in the Friday na. So we're going to conduct the podcast via Zoom. I know there are other platforms like StreamYard, pero di ko pa siya nagagamit. May din, Zoom webinar. Oh, I don't know if uh, there's additional cost. I didn't explore any webinar platforms pa. But maybe you're having idea. Do you have idea guys sa mga podcast na platform? We're conservative din sa price, so as much as possible if that's for free. No, baka may mga AI na no na the role of that AI is purely for webinar. Ayan. So you can type it in the chat ha, or you can like open your mic if you have any idea uh for us to try some podcast na tool. Okay? So we're going to do it live sa Facebook page, and then we're going to share the podcast details to our timeline or personal timeline that will do then para we can distribute the content. Okay? And of course, I don't know if this is doable after the webinar, like maybe we can do a trigger after ng webinar, maybe after an hour isasend yung certification, or we'll just send it manually. So that's the options. So again, it's not perfect pa, but these are like the initial step, and then that's the end. And what we are planning then for this etong social media part, this is specific, meaning for example uh sino bang sample speaker natin? Okay, for example, si Clarice, yung in-invite natin, no? So we're going to ask the details of Clarice and all of that, mga maybe some role din niya sa digital marketing, no? And that is like ipopost talaga siya like the overall detail. But here sa follow-up, these are general follow-up lang. So we don't need to add na we're about to start the podcast with Clarice. So we don't need to do that kasi that will be time consuming for the email builder. So as much as possible, lang muna natin siya, i-generalize, okay? Para we don't need to do anything every week. Okay? So yun yung plan para siya. But if there are a time na na siya, like we are going to manage it na at least we know what to do na. Like, dapat custom talaga yung email and then the SMS. You know? So that will be soon. As of the moment, this is like the flow of the podcast. Do you have any questions? And for example, we invited a guest speaker. So again, they'll be receiving a certification, and if they want to have a testimonial for them, we can do that. Maybe someone in the team would like to share about ano yung natutunan niya, like what are the tools na naging useful for him or her. Okay, so that's the goal. And that coach or that guest speaker can share about the offer. So baka may course, baka may siya, mga personal coaching na program. So that coach can uh offer that one sa community. And the reason for this is, again, lead generation. This can be our content machine, meaning an hour of maybe 45 minutes of content. And then we can create, I think, 5 to 10 reels onto that, or maybe more than. Maybe it can occupy the 1 month na calendar. No? So that is like the purpose of this platform. And for the team as well to collaborate and test their skills. Especially in our industry, dapat mabilis, no? For example, if this is like the goal for this week, hopefully within that week may matapos talaga tayo. Even if this flow is very simple, this can be a technical part then somehow, especially here sa automation na part. Yeah, but for the funnel building, I think isang page lang with dalawang page lang siya as of the moment. And then isang form, I mean isang section na may form. Ganyan. I think this will be triple at tatlong page, including the including the replay page. So after 24 hours of the webinar, or after 1 day, we're going to send them the replay link. And on that page, yung replay page na yun, or the we're going to attach the Zoom recording onto that page. Okay, so let me just show you an example. Okay, so webinar that ito kay MJ Lopez. Okay, so we're the one who built this one, by the way, for the information of everyone. Okay, so for example, this one. Now this is like the portal of the webinars niya. Okay, so these are like all of the webinar, but kulang pa to siya eh. Ang daming webinar, but hindi na siya updated. Okay, so this can be a portal, and then after, for example, this one, unleash your unstoppable moment in 2025. And then this is the podcast page. Okay, so basic lang, like after we're going to attach this link. In our case, that will be the podcast link. Ito, thepremiumfunnels.com/podcast. That will be attached to all of the social media posts. They'll be redirected here. And then they're just going to fill up their name, email, phone number. So that's it. That's how simple it is and straightforward. Then after they fill up, they'll be redirected to the thank you page or confirmation page. All right, so we can add additional details here, but I think it is not necessary as of the moment because we're just starting. We can do this one maybe later, no? We can do that one naman. Kasi for example, for this one, it's really hard if for example, every Friday we'll be having ano talaga like a very detailed podcast, no? The podcast that we're going to shoot naman is ano lang, like random things about the business, like experience ng speaker, ganun lang. It's not something very complicated na like kwentuhan lang ganun, like for example for JR, how did you started? Why is it bakit Chicha Sandbox? Why is it not like JHL JHL Automate, parang something like that. So it's more onto the story of that speaker. And that is like the chance as well to nurture the freelancers, agency owners, and even business owners, diba? So again, that this is the flow. This is really simple and straightforward. But if you want to add a specific process, that will be perfect. If ever you have any suggestions. So, guys, do you have any suggestions for this? What do you think to improve this? Anyone? Or baka shy type kayo? Ay, grabe. Okay, so we're going to ask someone. How about huh? Angel. Angel, what do you think about the process? Okay lang siya? Doable naman? Kaya? Carry? Or it's so much sophisticated or complicated? What do you think, Angel? Okay, I think this is Angel. So let's proceed with ano. How about ano, uh, sino ba here? How about James Albert? Yeah, what do you think with the flow of our ano? Okay, think busy din. Right, so how about Sir Jun? Sir Jun, what do you think about
Oh,
the ano, especially ikaw yung mag-create ng ano, Sir Jun, automation?
kasi late ako. Parang minamiss talaga ako. Oh, sorry. Pero review ko na lang sa recorded
Mm.
video mamaya or upload.
All right, so this is the
Nalate ako
process.
eh.
Sige lang.
8:15 ako pumasok.
Okay. Sige lang, Sir Jun. All right. Yeah, ito, malakas to. How about JR? What do you think, R? Or do you want to add something sa process?
Wala na Mac eh. Goods na yan eh.
Ay,
Mm.
grabe yan. Coming from ano, no? An expert?
Yeah. No, I'm not an expert.
Ay, hindi pa ba? If you're not an expert, paano lang kami? Anong tawag sa amin?
Sorry, si Ran.
Kaya,
Hindi, yung flow is let's try to implement it and along the way, malalaman naman yan eh.
yeah,
Kailangan
yeah.
ng improvement.
Oh.
Yes.
So,
Mm.
ganun talaga. So, it's a matter of like execution talaga.
Yes, Mac.
If we can do this one in 1 week, I think we can offer this ano then. For example, to those course creator na would like to ano, you can do that one in less than 1 week. Actually, this is ano lang naman. Parang lead gen lang siya na flow. Okay, ang mahirap here is ito lang talagang SMS. But we can eliminate this SMS muna if di pa siya kaya sa time, no? All right.
Kaya
So
yan, meron ng make tsaka HTTP SMS.
mm, mm, mm. And, di ba or pwede siya i-clone, no, somehow? Yung ano, yung nasa make, like, we can duplicate that scenario to ano, and then change lang the trigger from the workflow.
You can, yes, Mac. You can also make one scenario doon sa make. Tapos doon sa workflow mo, maglagay ka lang ng parameter para wala ka nang babaguhin sa make. Doon na lang sa workflow.
Okay. Yeah. Gets. So that parameters are like ano na, like created na inside. So actually I've created ano na from the previous for SMS. But ang problem here is ayun lang, wala na tayong Android device. Yeah, okay, pwede. I think na-store pa yung ano sa SIM. So let me check. If ever are, when will you be free for the podcast? Grabe, ano? So these are like
Let
the
me know lang the
people.
sked, Mac. Let me
Yeah,
know the
oo.
sked.
How about ano, June 20?
Sige, go lang, Mac. June
Like,
20, nung oras yan.
yeah, for the time we're ano pa deciding if this will be ano 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. Kasi mostly 8 p.m. pero sobrang busy ng mga tao sa 8. Others say 7 p.m. but that is dinner time.
Yes.
So we're confused if how can we go about it?
Para lang yan sa ano, yung mga willing talaga matuto or sa
Yeah,
mga
oo.
freelancer kasi hindi yan sila ano eh. If you're a freelancer, for me lang, hindi yan time to let's say travel or mag-enjoy sa labas, no?
Ay,
Pero
grabe.
yung iba kasi yan na yung ano eh, yan na yung culture nila eh. So
Mm.
wala tayong magagawa diyan.
Yeah, although we'll be providing recording, mas perfect pa rin if they can attend. Kasi they can ask questions live, no? Oo. So I've noticed then here sa make.com, there is ano, there is this AI agent. I don't know if how powerful is this. Yeah. But hopefully that is ano, powerful then.
Smartbot is the best.
Ay, grabe yan. Parang may sponsor. Sponsored by ano. Yeah. So did you conducted ano na like a webinar for that?
Smartbot, wala pa Mac, wala pa.
Okay. So, yeah.
Waiting pa sa version 2.
Version 2. There is a version
Hmm.
2?
Yes, there's a version 2. Waiting kami na mabigyan ng access.
Okay. Kasi I've noticed here, we can, duplicate this copy module and paste it. But I'm not sure if the configurations are still the same. But I hope. Para we can integrate like smoothly, like maybe within 2 hours, maano siya, mag-build. So that's how it goes. And do you have any suggestions, R, for our upcoming speakers? Baka may mga ano ka ma-recommend na we can invite.
Sir Marlu.
Mm, yeah, we're
Marlu,
going.
Melencio, si James Albert for AI. Malakas
We
din
have
yun si
a
James.
expert here, no?
Meron tayo si James.
Grabe yan. Lakas pala ng ano.
Si Rosano. Invite mo din yan.
Ah, para kang ano, R, may mga soldiers ka na pala.
Meron na. Marami yan sila eh.
So, no? This is a good ano din. For example, you'll be interviewed, diba? That is like a good content then for you. And
Ah,
we'll be having ano din, if you're from near Cavite, I don't know if we have near Cavite here na mga people, we can have ano din, parang live podcast. Pero may mag-handle yun, free na daw yung ano, like yung snack-snack lang. May mag-sponsor, oo, na ano. So, ayan. This is pending pa kasi negotiate pa natin to sila. Because I know these guys are really busy then. So, sino yun, R? Si
James.
James?
James Albert.
James Albert. Albert
Oo.
yung family name niya, no?
Expert na yan si Bro James.
Ay, grabe
Yan, no?
yan. Solid.
Tapos yung isa si Rosano, yung andito si Rosano.
Let's check. Rosano. May tinatawan lang tayo ni James Albert, oh.
Ayun, dito pala si Bro David.
Yeah, David din, no? Sure ako na si David. Really
Oo.
far din si David sa ano.
Hello, bro.
Ayan.
Wala kasi yung iba dito, but yeah, I'll give you a list if, let's say, naubos yan.
Oh, grabe. So at least we have like a monthly podcaster. But there's a tendency na mag-back out to sila, so at least we can insert them. Yeah.
Sure yan, sure.
And hope sure. What do you mean by that? Sure na mag-back out? Mag-back out daw si ano.
Joke lang.
So this is like lang casual, interview lang naman. You shouldn't be pressured sa ano. And if you're having an offer, bilis-bilisan nyo na lang para ma-prepare nyo yung onboarding. For example, you're selling a course about like 399, and people get to have an interest. So they can like purchase like paano yung magiging onboarding process. Kasi sayang siya if ever hindi pa ready yung like the course mo, or maybe you're having a coaching program. Yeah. Sayang siya if hindi pa ready by the time na you'll be talking to the Ayan. So we're not going to run ads. We're not going to like purely lang siya sa media posting. Alright, so this is like the ayun nga, the mock-up or the style. So, but my vision for this is like ito. I think alam na ni JR to. Na we're going to sorry. Like this is the layout na parang Netflix siya. Example, this one. So for example, my podcast si JR, all about, well, we can think of the title after the webinar talaga. Or we can set if that is a technical webinar. I mean podcast. So usually sa podcast hindi naman siya technical. But maybe for webinar it's kind of na technical. We can mix it up then. So this is the yung parang in-envision ko na na magiging layout niya. So there are like the details of the guest speakers, okay? And then andito na lahat ng offers niya, then the links, the website, the social media. So this is a perfect way for you to showcase then your talent. Okay? So this is the layout. And this is the main portal. Ito siya. So I think kaya naman to ni na JR sa backend. Ayan, no? So, yeah, I hope this will, it's a matter of like execution talaga for this one. Yeah. So maybe by tomorrow, we're going to start building the funnel. We're going to start building the automation, the copy for this one. Kasi I'm trying to this Friday we can execute it, but I think it will be pa by the next week. Especially if we're going to implement the SMS. Yeah. And so do you have any questions? Pangutana? All goods? And guys,
I-announce
for
na ako,
the
Max.
Apple, I mean R.
I already announced na ikaw yung magiging funnel building trainer sa Sandbox course.
Ay, grabe yan. Actually, I'm preparing it in the courses.
So yun guys, alam nyo na, aware na kayo.
Yeah, and to give you a sneak peek, this is sneak peek lang to like the results
May
that we
pa-sneak
have.
peek
Ito yung mga na-build natin so far, and just recently we just implemented or built a funnel kay Chinky. You know Chinky, diba? Yung ni JR. Yung di ba interview ka?
Wala. Joke lang yun.
So these are like the funnels that we built. Ito yung funnel ni Sir Jun, no? Yung sa meat shop niya. And so these are like for digital products. So you're going to like learn how to build this talaga. And this one lang yung kay Chinky. Ayan siya. And si Paul, yung graphics designer natin, siya yung nag-create ng mga like logos, something like that. Oh. So it's like repetitive, lang to siya, structure layout. Oh. So I think some of these people. Ayan. Ayun, beginner, my replay to, yeah, we'll be having a replay. All right, so guys, let's smile in 3, 2, 1, smile. All right, so yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for joining, spending your time tonight, and have a great day. God bless everyone. Bye guys.
Thank you.